What's happening YouTube? Welcome to my channel if you are new. Today I'm going to show you how to free up of your disk space in Windows 10. Let's see. So in order to clean up the storage in Windows, Microsoft have already introduced a lot of functionalities, and among them I have chosen three options. Okay, number one is using disk cleanup method. Okay, it's a very famous way and everybody knows about that one. And other option is by removing temporary files, okay, under the app data. Okay, third option is removing the temporary files which under the Windows folder. Might be a lot of people don't know about that one. Probably they knows, but it's kind of an uncommon way. Okay, so okay, let's see. To get more videos, please like and subscribe. How to do by disk cleanup. Okay, so in that case you have to simply go to the computer and right click on the C drive properties. Okay, so there's an option called disk cleanup. So if you click here, so you can choose from this bar which one you want to which one you wanted to get rid of. For example, this recycle bin, so I'm choosing for example. And OneDrive files, I don't think I need that one. So temporary files, no need. Then click on clean up system files, then it will be clean, as you can see over here. Okay, now click on delete files. So first what happened is gathered all the details, all the files which we selected, then it's going to clean now, as you can see on this stage. Still going on. Actually those the timing depending on the files you selected on the previous menu or previous option under the this disk cleanup option. So depending on that, it's taking the times. Okay, I will cancel for time being. Okay, so option 2, it's we have to go to temporary files. So there's a 2-3 ways to go, so I will show you the very normal way. So you have to go to the run, search run, or simple press Windows button and R key. Okay, it will open the run, and just type over here %mark temp %mark. Okay, and click OK. So it will goes to this page, so where you can select all and click on delete, and it will get delete, as you can see here. So some of the files cannot delete because at the moment they are open or something like that. Alright, so later still we can delete that one. Probably after you restart you are able to delete that. And the third option is there's a temporary files folder under the Windows folder. So how you can go there, go to C, go to Windows, and simply go to temp. Here you go. So you will see a lot of files over there which you didn't see under that previous temporary folder, right? So those also not required actually. You can simply Control A to select all the files and shift delete, better shift delete. Okay, so once you make what happened when you click what is the difference between delete and shift delete? When you press the delete, basically it will go to the recycle bin. Okay, but when you make a shift button and delete at the same time, so it will be permanently delete, so you don't need to go to the recycle bin again and delete the files. Okay, I hope you learned something from this video. So thank you for watching.